In today's world, there are many people who have access to technology. Technology is a great thing. We've learned that in 3 sessions here already. And those people are making full use of their technology. They're making their lives easier, what technology is meant to do. They're experiencing easier and better lives with more advanced education systems because they have access to more resources. Better healthcare systems, records are being kept in the best fashion. They're being digitized now. Higher literacy rates and things of that nature. But there are also many people who are kind of stuck behind, especially in today's day and age where technology has reached lengths that it's never reached before. We're the most technologically advanced era that's ever been on the face of the earth. And there are people who don't know how to complete basic computer functions, and it's not their fault. They've never had access to things like that. They've never been taught something like that. For example, one of the world's major tech hubs, Silicon Valley. It's super evident in downtown Palo Alto, where some of the world's major tech research and some of the world's major tech industries, most qualified professionals work in this area. But 20 minutes down the street in downtown is also one of the United States' most is one of the United States' biggest homeless populations, known as the jungle. Um, Individuals who don't even own a cell phone, who don't know how to operate basic computer software, have never browsed the web before. They live in this area. So why does this exist? This is a clear example of the digital divide. People that live less than 5 miles away from each other are living two totally different lives, and this is how technology can impact one's life. And through that, and or because of that, we're going to discuss the Code for Good project. So I want you to take a second and think of a think of a problem in your community or globally that you would like to be solved. So this problem isn't only in the United States. If you compare a country like the United States of America to a country like Haiti, you'll notice two totally different environments or two totally different takes on technology. And why does this disparity or why does this difference exist? So think of a problem in your community or globally that you would like to be solved. If you can't think of any problem that strikes your interest immediately, I have a link right here. Uh, it consists of the world's most urgent global issues here. So you can see some of the things here are artificial intelligence, factory farming, biosecurity, nuclear security, world health, climate change, things of that nature. So whatever matters the most to you, I want you to make this. I mean, I want this to cater to you as an individual. What are you passionate about? So out of once you find whatever problem you want to discuss, we will create a web page showcasing each issue that you come up with. But we're going to create a web page and through HTML. So we're not using a website builder or anything of that nature. We're going to create a blog or a web page, and you're going to code it entirely by yourself. And it's going to be good practice and something that's practical. Also makes you feel good about yourself because you're discussing a problem that you're passionate about. So that's the Code for Good project. We'll get more into that later.